In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop starting new chats and instead use ChatGPT projects in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This process will streamline your interactions and help you manage ongoing conversations more effectively by utilizing project-focused threads. Let's start by navigating to your preferred web browser. We'll head over to Google. You can do this on any browser you're comfortable with. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, you name it. Once you've got Google open, proceed by typing ChatGPT into the search bar. Straightforward, just like starting any other online search. This is your hub for accessing the ChatGPT interface and exploring its capabilities. Once you're on the search results page, locate the official ChatGPT website link. It should be one of the top results, clearly labeled for easy identification. Click on it to proceed to the ChatGPT homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, this is your gateway to a wide range of interactions that can help you solve problems or get answers with ease. To take full advantage of ChatGPT projects, you'll want to start by initiating a new project. Look for an easy-to-find button labeled New Project. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose from a range of project templates or categories. For today's example, we'll focus on the investing category. Of course, feel free to choose another category if it's more relevant to your needs. By selecting a category, you're tailoring the project's context to better suit your specific area of interest, which will help our responses to be more targeted and useful. After selecting the investing category, you'll see an option to create the project. Go ahead and click on Create Project. This is where the magic happens. Your project will set the stage for an ongoing, organized stream of interactions tailored to investing. This structure allows for a more robust and cohesive dialogue, enabling you to have a single, continuous thread of conversation without the constant need to backtrack or restate the context. Once your project is set up, you can engage in a conversation that's neatly organized. This approach gives you a bird's-eye view of your topic with a focused dialogue window, minimizing clutter and chaos. The benefits of using ChatGPT projects go beyond simple interaction. It's about optimizing your workflow, keeping track of ongoing inquiries, and maintaining focus on your objectives. To recap, by following these steps, you can stop the exhausting cycle of starting new chat threads and instead harness the power of ChatGPT projects for more coherent and effective communication. By setting up projects, you're creating efficient channels of information tailored to your personal or professional needs, making your digital interactions smarter and more structured. Thank you for tuning in today, and we hope you find success with ChatGPT projects.